how India makes money from pharma outsourcing and low-cost drug production. Welcome to Facts USA and World. Today we'll uncover how one country became the pharmacy of the world. This is India, a nation that doesn't just make cheap medicine, but earns billions through pharmaceutical outsourcing and mass drug manufacturing. 1. The pharmacy of the world. When you buy painkillers, antibiotics, or insulin, there's a good chance they were made in India. Indian companies produce about 60% of the world's generic medicines and export them to over 200 countries. That didn't happen by accident. It's the result of a national strategy to turn affordable medicine into a global business. 2. How it all started. In the 1970s, India changed its patent laws, banning patents on final drugs, but allowing them on production methods. This clever move let Indian scientists legally reverse engineer Western drugs, creating low-cost versions, or generics, that saved millions of lives. That was the beginning of India's generic drug revolution, which turned a poor country into a global healthcare powerhouse. 3. The giants of Indian pharma. Today, thousands of pharmaceutical companies operate in India, but a few dominate the global stage. Sun Pharma, Asia's largest generic drug producer. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, strong presence in the US and Europe. Cipla, leading supplier of HIV and antiviral medicines for Africa. Lupin, Aurobindo, Glenmark, Biocon, key players in the export market. Together, these firms generate over $50 billion a year, selling their products from New York to Nairobi. 4. India heals the world. Indian manufacturers supply 40% of all generic drugs sold in the US, 25% of medicines imported by the UK, and 80% of HIV treatments used across Africa. In short, 1 out of every 3 pills in the world likely comes from India. Of outsourcing, the engine of success. Many Western pharma giants, Pfizer, Novartis, Roche, Johnson & Johnson, don't make their drugs themselves. They outsource production to India. Why? Because it's 5 to 10 times cheaper to manufacture there. India has built specialized pharma parks, industrial zones packed with factories producing medicine for export, often branded under foreign company names. This is pharmaceutical outsourcing. India makes the drugs, others sell them. 6. The world's laboratory. India isn't just a factory, it's a research hub. With over 3,000 R&D centers and tens of thousands of chemists and bioengineers, India develops, tests, and improves drugs for multinational companies. It's now a research partner for the global pharmaceutical industry, helping to design vaccines, antibiotics, and biosimilars at a fraction of Western costs. 7. Exporting health and wealth. Pharmaceuticals are one of India's most profitable industries. In 2024, India exported over $27 billion worth of medicines, and the total market value of its pharma sector exceeded $60 billion. Main export destinations: the US, UK, South Africa, Russia, Brazil, and Indonesia. 8. The power of generics. Why is India so competitive? 1. Low costs, cheaper labor and materials. 2. Flexible patent laws allow fast generic production. 3. Strong science base, world-class chemists and labs. 4. Government support, tax breaks, and biotech investment. India may not invent every drug, but it ensures everyone can afford them. 9. Vaccines and biotech power. During the COVID-19 pandemic, India proved its scale. The Serum Institute of India produced more than 60% of the world's COVID vaccines, supplying over 100 countries. Today, India is the largest vaccine producer on Earth, manufacturing 2.5 billion doses per year. 10. Challenges and criticism. The main issue has been quality control. Western regulators have at times accused Indian firms of poor manufacturing practices or counterfeit products. But India is reforming fast, tightening inspections, adopting international GMP, good manufacturing practice standards, and opening its factories to audits from the US FDA and European EMA. Result: more Indian plants are now globally certified than ever before. 11. The future of Indian pharma. India is moving into advanced biotech, developing insulin, biosimilars, and cancer treatments. Companies like Biocon already export to the US and Europe, while startups in Hyderabad and Pune are working on gene therapies and rare disease drugs. The next goal: become the world's center for biopharma innovation. 12. In simple terms, India doesn't just produce cheap medicine, it produces life itself. While Big Pharma profits from patents, India profits from accessibility, making essential drugs affordable for billions. It's not just business, it's a global public service that pays. Conclusion. India turned pharmaceuticals into a national mission. It proved that a country doesn't need vast wealth or resources to become a superpower. Only science, strategy, and compassion. While others debate over patents, India simply heals the world and earns billions doing it.